So hello everyone, welcome back to another class. We'll be doing some MCQ on science. So today class will be on biology. Biology shuru. So we'll be doing a couple of questions from SSC. So let us start the class. First question. Which of the following is a serious mental illness that affects how a person thinks, feels and behaves? So kundu. So number 1, heterochlorosis, tenosis, schizophrenia or sclerosis. So Q means dimakla disease associated, it is schizophrenia. Next, how many times a blood cycle passes through the heart of a fish in one cardiac cycle? So fish de kiman times pass through heart, so it is only once. The arteries is divided into smaller vessels. On reaching the vessels, they divide further into extremely thin tubes called capillaries. So arteries to capillaries they chudu हो जाए, and veins to the venules are the smallest veins and receive blood from the capillaries. So next question, which of the following acid is released by the gastric glands present in the stomach? The stomach the key acid as so stomach the it is hydrochloric acid, HCl as iduwa food to break down gre. Next, different size species of Plasmodium, a tiny protozoan, is responsible for different malarial types. Which of this malignant malaria is most serious? So malaria to kiba affect ho jaye, so it is Plasmodium falciparum. Next question, touch is a broad term that includes all the chemical reactions in our body. So chemical reactions body de tagado idu sub process ki koi. First to respiration is to ke je sas loala ki koi, and excretion means waste materials secrete korla, reproduction means idu bacha produce korla. So broad term to ke jukle to it is metabolism. Next, which of the following is not an example of a viral disease? Means virus pa cause no gore. AIDS pe virus ase, Ebola pe virus ase, plague is caused by bacteria. So plague as a answer. So plague is caused by not bacteria, it is caused by bacillus, pestis or rodents. Yeah, it is caused by infected rat or bacterial disease. Sorry. So virus as a except for plague that is caused by this bacteria. Next, ozone depletion from the atmosphere becomes the reason for causing which of the following disease? So ozone depletion means ozone ba manla body ke protect from harmful ultraviolet radiation. Sun ba ado suppose ki disease pa protect kore skin cancer. Next, which of the following causative agents causes the disease Kala Azar? So Kala Azar to ki ba hoy? So Kala Azar to it is a disease caused by protozoa. Kala Azar to protozoa hoy aru edu tai ki ba infect hoy gole sand fly ba infect hoy, and edu taila agent ki ase Leishmania donovani. Next, the inability to effectively use voluntary motor abilities in all aspects of life, from sports to structures, seal tasks, is also known as ki ase to manla ki koi body la parts kon use korna par ki ase, it is dyspepsia. Next, touch fluid secreted by new mothers during the initial course of lactation contains nutrients that boost a baby's immune system. It helps to fight infection. So ki by way it is caused by colostrum, means amala dute daga ki koi nutrients to it is good for health, it is caused by colostrum. Next, elephantiasis disease, in which there is chronic inflammation of organs, is caused by which of the following worms? So elephantiasis means thing do elephant la thing is na phuli jay. So this idu worm do ki ase to ringworm the fungus ase. So we can eliminate this one. So the answer is this Wisteria. So elephantiasis to Wisteria worm ba cause kore. Aru elephantiasis to alag nam dike ase, it is called filariasis. Next, which of the following is correctly paired? Fixed immovable joint elbow, ball and socket joint upper, ball and socket upper or head, hinge joint shoulder, or pivotal joint neck. Ball and socket to idu mona hat de by ball and socket to, so it is not found in head. Wrong as a fixed or immovable joint elbow. Elbow be means movable as a, so it is wrong. So answer is pivotal joint. So it is neck or head. Idu gola or matha joint gola joint ge pivotal joint mode. Next, which of the following term is used to describe the outer layer of the skin? Skin la outer layer means skin la chamra ki koi, it is called larynx to idu gola la koi keratin to chuli ase. So keratin, so it is what? Epidermis ase. So keratin to mona chuli idu aru do nail idu larynx to gola la portion ase. Next, which of the following disease is caused by drinking contaminated water? So pani khale ki problem? Scurvy to idu vitamin C la problem ase. Rickets to vitamin D na thakle. Anemia to idu do blood related problem ase. So answer is cholera. Cholera or typhoid kando pani ba spread kore, waterborne disease koi dige. Cholera is a waterborne disease, typhoid is also waterborne disease, and typhoid la ki ba cause kore? Salmonella typhi. Next, calcitonin hormone is released by which of the following glands in the humans when the amount of calcium in bloodstream is high? So calcium body the calcium high the ki cause where it is caused thyroid, it causes thyroid. Next, poor sanitation conditions may not be likely reason under which of the following conditions? So poor sanitation means pani problem not pani ba cause no garla ki koi disease to ki ase biche polio to pani ba bi spread kore, means pani contaminated water spread kore. Typhoid also water related, cholera also water related. Arthritis to joints problem ase, thing de problem ba dige arthritis koi. Next, hepatitis B is a life threatening hepatitis B to ki ase tai ki affect koi? It causes liver affect kore de. Next, Dutch is the science that studies the structure of the body, means mona body do structure do study kore la ki koi dige anatomy koi, cytology do cell ase. Anatomy do internal structure of the organism ase, aro mycology the fungus ase. So these are some of the studies under science. Next, malaria is caused by which of the following protozoa? So malaria to ki ba cause kore? So malaria is caused by the protozoa Plasmodium malaria. Or the malaria to ki mosquito was spread kore? It is spread by Aedes mosquito. Aedes Anopheles mosquito. So the answer is Anopheles mosquito. So next question, who among the following developed the polio vaccine? Polio vaccine kun ba banaise? Is it A. F.G. Hopkins, Edward Jenner, Jonas Salk, or Robert Koch? So it is what? Many people confuse with Edward Jenner and Jonas Salk because Edward Jenner be itu to tai smallpox la vaccine banaise. Edward Jenner holibi polio vaccine to kunba banaise kole to it is Jonas Salk or Robert Koch to tai first idu ki koy it is Edward Jenner ba first polio vaccine first smallpox vaccine banaise Robert Koch ba tai ki koy tuberculosis cholera anthrax concept to discover hoise aro modern bacteriologist pe mate. Next question, which of the following does not figure in the main function of the root system? So root system na main function ki ase? So root function to kundu nai kuchile the absorption of water from the soil, roots ba absorb kore. Number 2, absorption of minerals from the soil, minerals ba absorb kore. Providing a proper anchorage to the plant parts means structure thik de supply of food. So root la kam ne food to ekta alag part ase, that is phloem. So the answer is supply of food parts. Next, which of the following is one of the basic plant nutrients of fertilizer that are commonly used in agriculture? Agriculture ekta cholai which is very important. To ki ase arsenic noy, arsenic poisoning ho jay, mercury ba minamata disease ho jay, sodium p no hoy, it is potassium nitrogen idu sab to fertilizers. Next, which of the following is statement about bryophytes is not true? So bryophyte kane ki true nai. First is what? They are called the amphibians of the water kingdom, of the plant kingdom. Amphibians because bryophytes to pani bishi loitan. Aro number 2, the presence of a special tissue is found in this for the flow of water and other substances from one part to another. Number 3, the answer is number 2, sorry. It is the presence of special tissue is found in this flow of water from other substance from one plant body to another. So bryophytes to ke jukle to pani takan pani de grow kore. So the answer is number 2. The sponge belongs to which of the following phylum? Sponge te do pani de olala phylum koi. So first is what? Echinoderma. Next is porifera. Next is Eschelmentis and mollusca. So sponges to pani de form kore. So first echinoderma de ke jukle to sea star, sea cucumber aro to case idu starfish idu onda ja. Next to Eschelmentis to ke jukle to round worms koi to ke, and mollusca to idu shell dagala. Okay, so the answer is sponges to porifera. Next question, the type of asexual reproduction in which new plants are produced from roots, stems, leaves and buds are also known as to ki asexual production. Asexual reproduction means ki means male na lage ta nijor reproduce kore. So first option vegetative propagation do means plants roots iduwa notun plants ulai. Next to layering dike jukle to through the use of layers takan idu ki koy propagate kore. Aro budding to ekta side pa olaina propagate kore, and grafting do jane we already know grafting means branch duita katina join korna kore. So the answer is what? Asexual reproduction is vegetative propagation. Next question, energy and carbon requirement of an autotrophic is fulfilled by which? So autotrophic, first to autotrophic reproduction dike je autotrophic organism dike jukle ta nature produce kore food, means they do not use other sources of organism for their reproduction. or for living means ta nijo food produce kore. So it is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis plants can they make their own food. Tan kun la bhi help na lage. They make food from the sunlight, oxygen incarnation. So it is called photosynthesis. Next, which tissue is responsible for the flexibility in plants? The plants la flexibility to ki ba generate kore meristematic, sclerenchyma, parenchyma or collenchyma. So the answer is what? It is collenchyma. Next, which of the following falls under the phylum Cnidarian of the animal kingdom? Cnidarian. आगे तो कौन है sea urchins itu सब तो mollusca ला से earthworms तो itu तो then snails itu on तो mollusca सब बजे shell डालना था. So Cnidarian तो it belongs to the corals. Next, which of the following plant hormones regulates growth, particularly in stimulating cell elongation in stems? So cell elongation karne ki kore? It is first ethylene, auxin, gibberellin or cytokinin. So first ethylene di ki gosukle to man edo juldi fruits kan pakai dole do use kore ethylene do. Next, auxin di ki gosukle to they are used for cell elongation, and gibberellin di ki gosukle to they occur in young leaves and roots aro tan stems can grow rule. They play an important role. And cytokinin is what is they are plant hormones that influence not only plant growth but also cell division. Gibberellin. So the answer is cell elongation karne use kore it is auxin. Next, which of the following is incorrect? Food from the stomach passes onto the small intestine. So stomach pa intestine jai, small intestine, there are small intestine pa large intestine jai. Complete digestion of carbohydrates, proteins and fats takes place in the small intestine. Correct? Small intestine de ho jai. Saliva contains an enzyme called salivary lipase that breaks down sugar into simple starch into simple sugar. Or number 4, food enters the mouth through the esophagus. Esophagus to mona muk pa shuru kore. Correct aje. Ito correct aje. Only number 3 is wrong. That salivary contains a special enzyme called, it is not salivary lipase, it is amylase. Amylase aje. Next, the nucleus of a cell is surrounded by a jelly white substance called ki aje? It is called cytoplasm mate. Next, litmus paper. A litmus solution of a is a purple dye which is extracted from lichen na is belonging to the division ki aje? So it is what? It is first is gymnosperms, angiosperms, gymnosperms, pterophyta, thallophyta or barophyta. So lichens kanda ki koi? It is thallophyta. Litmus solution dike jugule to ido acid na base aje ido check kore. That is blue litmus red jugule to acid aje or red litmus to blue jugule to alkaline aje. Next, who is known as the father of modern atomic theory? Father of modern atomic theory to kun aje? It is number 1, Willard Gibbons, Otto Hahn, John Dalton or Robert Boyle. So Boyle do Boyle's law laje, Otto Hahn to tai atom bomb laje, or Gibbs do is also a scientist, but the answer is John Dalton. Tai atomic theory do tai ba start korje. John Dalton. Next is, which part of a flower is the sticky substance at the top of pistil? It traps and holds the pollen. So number 1 is style, stigma, sepal or overall. So idu uporde flower la uporde ekta sticky substance which attracts the bees aro animals etu ki ba attract kore stigma. So male reproductive organ of flower de ki koi stamen koi aro style de ke jobole to stigma aro ovary connect korala etu stick ki koi aro sepal do green part of the petals koi means petal etu flower wala la tiki sepal koi and ovary do we all know it is egg. Next, a mango tree is an example of a ki ase mango tree do number 1 pseudotrope, autotrope, ambitrope or heterotrope. So autotrope means ta konishna tan nijor produce kore. Autotrope means tan nijor produce kore. Heterotrope means tan means animals kan nishna mangso khai. So since mango tree is a tree which runs means tan photosynthesis for run kore, so it is autotrope. Next, plants release water into the air by the process of means plants can keep release kore water to atmosphere de photosynthesis by the takan food synthesize kore they convert light energy into chemical energy, so photosynthesis is no. So the answer is transpiration ba hoy. Next, which part of the plant allows for the uptake of carbon dioxide and limits the loss of water due to evaporation? So ido carbon dioxide absorb kore ki hoy, it is caused by the stomata. Touch is a sessile animal that relies upon the relationship with plants like algae to build the largest structure of biological origin in India. So on earth, sorry. So largest biological structures to ke we know that there are the corals means itu Pacific Ocean gande coral tando they are sessile animal means they do not move. And the last question for today is the touch is a term that is used for the reactions of photosynthesis that cause the energy stored by the light dependent reactions from glucose and other carbohydrate molecules. Means light to energy to convert korna glucose or other carbohydrates molecules. So it is what Bloom cycle, Rock cycle, macroscopic cycle or Kelvin cycle. So it is what? It is Kelvin cycle. So with this, the biology class has been completed. You can write down the notes and you can write down the points for the class, and I'll be continuing with physics and chemistry. So thank you guys for watching and all the best for your exam. Thank you.